Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious mint-flavored makhana. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of makhana, also known as fox nuts, and 2 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves. For seasoning, prepare 1 teaspoon of your preferred cooking oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of chaat masala. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get that perfect crunch. Heat a pan over a medium-low flame for about 1 minute. Add your 1 cup of makhana to the warm pan. Roast them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring continuously. You'll know they are ready when they become light, airy, and have a satisfying crispness. This step is crucial for the texture of your snack. Next, we'll infuse that wonderful mint flavor. In a separate small pan, heat 1 teaspoon of your cooking oil. Once warm, add the 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh mint leaves. Sauté them gently for about 30 seconds. You'll notice a delightful aroma filling your kitchen, indicating the mint's essence is being released into the oil. This creates the base for our mint seasoning. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your perfectly roasted makhana to the pan with the fragrant mint oil. Sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of chaat masala. Toss everything thoroughly to ensure each makhana is evenly coated with the delicious minty seasoning. Serve your homemade mint makhana immediately for the best taste and crunch. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.